Okay, rub, 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 rub.
Oh, there! What's up, guys? Welcome to Keelans Corner. Today we're going to open up these 3 Hatchimal sets. If you want to see more videos, please hit thumbs up and turn on notifications.
And disclaimer, these items were sent to us by Hatchimals for free so we can provide honest reviews. Thanks again, Hatchimals.
Let's get right into the video. Okay, I'm going to open it. Yes, you know how fast it is. Whoa. I like how when you open up boxes, it's like that. Okay, so let me get this out. So let me get this. First we got a cow.
Maycow.
It's from the farm collection. Okay, now I'm rubbing this egg.
Yeah, there's collectible items. So here's the brochure of the different Hatchimals that you can collect. Okay, so to hatch them, you need to rub this heart, and the heart will change color. So right there, it's changing to light pink. Okay, so keep rubbing it. And there, it's cracking, and it cracked. And this one is a little duck. Let's see the name of this little creature. Okay, that is Platypiper. Platypiper, that's my name.
And I'll open it.
Okay, rub, 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 rub.
And also, again, thank you, Hatchimals, for sending us these kind of eggs and this. Oh, this belongs in the sea.
Sea creature?
Yeah, it's a dolphin.
That looks like a dolphin. That's part of the sea creature or ocean creature, and the name is Dollfinch. Dollfinch.
Let's see what this one's about.
That one is part of the desert creature, and his name is Sand Snake.
Sand snake, that sounds cool name. Now, let me see what's inside.
There's a fish. Let's see the name of this sea creature, ocean creature actually. Okay, this one is part of the river creature, and that is Pigeon.
So, you guys, look. So, hold on. So, if you grab a piece like this, so you see how it has half of heart, and when you rub it, it turns a different color. And then let's get moved on to this one. Then you go like that. Ooh, here's this one. Here's this one.
That guy is Hip Hatch. Okay, I'm gonna help you with hatching this little eggs.
Oh, there!
And that little guy is Tree.
Oh.
Tree. And you got this little bunny looking one. His name is Bunwee. And that little guy is...
Ooh, another furry one!
So this one is a limited edition one. Magical Pharaoh. That's Magical Pharaoh, part of the limited collection.
I want to try something. Watch.
Whoa.
Here comes the big mama. The big mama bun. Whoa! Here's two.
Whoa, you got 2.
There's like a dozen eggs.
This is oh, it's part of the desert collection. That one is part of the farm.
You guys have you know how you guys can tell like which one's which, like which one they're part of? Because they're different colors.
Donkey moo.
I'm gonna crack this because these ones are really easy. Oh, this is another furry one!
Oh, special edition. Let's see who that is.
That one.
This one is limited edition, and that little creature is it's magical kitty cam.
There's that one.
And here's another one. This is probably part of the jungle.
Oh, this is from the sea.
Yep, jungle.
This is the sea. You already have
Then here's a sea creature or ocean. Sea spoon is the name of that little guy. This is part of the farm. Actually, that's part of the forest. That's Poswit. That's the name of that little guy. That's pretty cute. And that little guy is, it's Ponette. Here's another one.
Oh, this is from the sea.
And then octopi is right there. And here's this one. And the last one is who?
Dun dun dun.
Dun 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 dun. Ooh, that is foxfin.
Well, thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up. Smash the like button, turn on notifications, and give us a thumbs up. Bye, peace out. Bam, bam. Killing out.